Hey viewers. Welcome to our YouTube channel Everything About Accounting. If you want to learn accounting easy and simple way, you are in the right place. We all know that journals and ledgers are of immense importance in accounting. Journal and ledger are the second and third steps of the accounting cycle. There are many differences between the journal and the ledger. So, in this video, we will learn what is the difference between journal and ledger. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for getting the regular updates about accounting videos. So, let's get started. What is the difference between journal and ledger? The two important steps in the accounting cycle are accounting journal and ledger. The position of the ledger account is only after the journal account in the accounting cycle. Although journal and ledger remained apart, there is a difference between journal and ledger. The differences between ledger and journal are discussed below. Journal versus ledger. 1. Journal is the primary book of accounts, while ledger is the main book of accounts. 2. As soon as the transaction takes place, it is recorded in the journal by the double-entry accounting system on the order of the date, while the book, which is permanently recorded under the separate title of the account after the transactions recorded in the journal book, is called the ledger. 3. Journal is the assistant book of accounts, while ledger is called the king of all books. 4. The main purpose of the journal is to help prepare the ledger properly, while ledger's work can be performed efficiently without recording in the journal. 5. Journal is prepared based on documents, while ledger is prepared based on the journal. 6. Journal has 5 columns, while ledger has 8 columns. 7. Trail balance cannot be created to check the mathematical accuracy of accounts with a journal, while with the help of ledger, a trial balance may be prepared to check the mathematical accuracy of the calculations. 8. There is no actual information available from the journal on a specific category of transactions, while all information required for a specific account is readily available from a ledger. 9. Financial statements cannot be prepared directly from the journal, while financial statements can be prepared directly from the ledger. At the end of the video, I think you're clear what is the difference between journal and ledger. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and share. You can also visit our official website www.everythingaboutakcounting.info for more updates. Thanks for watching.